For the next phase of the animation, you will update the paragraphs with the MSG text. Since you have the delays for each step of the animation already, you can add your code to the same for each loop. So it's here to add another set timeout function, pass in an empty callback function as the first argument, and pass in the show message delay property as the current object as the second argument. So call out the function which is the set timeout and pass in an empty callback function. Okay, empty callback function. So this is our empty callback function, but passed in as the first argument. So we have to pass in the second argument, which is the show message delay property. Oops. Take note, it's a property of the current object. So current object to what I've remember is the obj. So call out the obj first. This is now the current object, and then interpolate the property which is the show msg delay, and now it has been passed on as the second argument of the set timeout function. Oops. Oh yes. I thought we have to input the semicolon, but I think it's not needed.